Before you can start trading cryptocurrency, you need to buy cryptocurrency first. On the SuperEx P2P trading platform, you can buy cryptocurrencies using multiple fiat currencies. Currently, SuperEx offers over 90 fiat currencies on the P2P platform. Today we will take you through SuperEx P2P, followed by a step-by-step guide on how to buy crypto on SuperEx. P2P is short for peer-to-peer, which means a user is trading directly with another user without any intermediaries. It is quite flexible, as you have a wide range of options to choose from when it comes to choosing which merchants to trade with, when to make the transfer, and at what price you wanted to buy the cryptocurrency. SuperEx allows trades to connect and trade P2P at zero fees, which means traders can complete the transactions easily and smoothly without fees. SuperEx P2P also implements a trading localization strategy to ensure that all merchants are from the trading localities, which allows for more local payment methods to be supported. Open the SuperEx official website, and you will see a P2P button in the menu bar. Click on P2P to go to the P2P trading page. Before you can start trading P2P, you will need to submit your personal information for KYC verification, and only after the KYC is approved can you start trading P2P. After completing the KYC, you will need to set a nickname for your P2P account. It is not recommended to use your real name for the nickname. Select the preferred merchant you want to trade with, and once selected, tap on Buy. Enter the amount you wanted to buy. Once you fill out the amount you wanted to buy, click Buy USDT. Complete the payment within the time limit of the order. Confirm with the seller that the payment has been made and wait for the seller to release the funds. There is also a time limit for the seller to release the funds to the buyer. After confirming the payment receipt, the seller will release the funds and the transaction will be completed. Then, you can transfer the funds from your P2P account to your spot wallet to start trading crypto. That's how you buy cryptocurrency on SuperEx P2P platform. Hope this helps you in your crypto trading journey. See you in our next videos.